Hello guys. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we shall be discussing the concept of place of supply for training. Where training service is provided to a registered person, place of supply will be location of such registered recipient. Example: Gyaan Industries Limited, Gujarat, hires First Source Consultancy, Mumbai, to impart soft skills training to its employees. The training will be conducted in Mumbai. Place of supply will be Gujarat. Since the recipient is a registered person, location of recipient is the place of supply. GST will be charged as supplier is in Maharashtra and recipient is in Gujarat. Where training service is provided to an unregistered person, place of supply will be location where the services are performed. Example: Ms. Anita, unregistered person based in Bangalore, signs up with Gyaan Consultancy, Mumbai, for a training on public speaking. She attends the training in Mumbai. Place of supply will be Maharashtra, since the recipient is unregistered person, location where services are provided is the place of supply. And CGST plus SGST will be charged. So, that is all for this topic. We hope you have enjoyed the video. In case you like the video, press on subscribe button and click the bell icon for personalized queries. You may reach out to us at info@bncglobal.in.